Hi everyone, welcome to Insaid, and today we are going to talk about how Zerodha built a great product, becoming one of India's largest stockbroking companies. Zerodha is a remarkable story in India's startup ecosystem. It has 6 million customers, handles 15% of India's retail trading volume, and is valued at over 3 billion. It was able to achieve all this without any external funding or marketing. So, how did Zerodha build such a loyal and passionate customer base? How did it create products that are loved by millions of traders and investors? And what are some of the principles and practices that drive its product development process? Zerodha built a great product by using the following approach. Zerodha follows a customer-centric approach to product development. It listens to customers' feedbacks, identifies their pain points, and solves them with a simple and intuitive solution. Zerodha also follows a data-driven approach to product development. It tracks various metrics and indicators such as user behavior, engagement, retention, and churn, and uses them to optimize and improve its products. Zerodha invests heavily in technology and innovation. It has a strong engineering culture where engineers are empowered to experiment and learn from failures. And lastly, Zerodha focuses on building products that have a positive impact on the world. It aims to democratize finance and make investing accessible and affordable for everyone. It also educates its customers on financial literacy and risk management through its platforms such as Valuation. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.